Welcome back again in Mindhunter channel. Are you really worried about your phone locking? So in today's video I am going to show you how to unlock phone with a very simple tricks. So get ready as I am going to tell you, just follow it and unlock your phone in few minutes. So as you can unlock pin pattern, finger face lock, any type of Android phone like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, any Xiaomi or a Xiaomi, any type of Android phone you can unlock sitting at home without help of any service center. And this process is to be going to a start. So before I start this video, I am going to share one thing with you. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in comment section which handset is yours, which model is it, because the code which I am going to share for unlocking process may support in many handsets or may not support in many handsets. So let's focus on our process and unlock your phone. So press process. We are going to start the process now. As you can see, this phone is locked through the pin, and now below this keypad area, now you can see, you can able to see the emergency call option is coming. So we have to click on it, and now I am going to share you some secret code which is used in service center also. And this code is, and this process is offline method. First, make sure your handset must be in flight mode, and when battery percentage must be in minimum 50%. Let's get start this process. So now as you can see, emergency calls option is coming. So I'm going to share you the secret code which is valid up to August 2023, and this is very helpful for all Android viewers. So now as you can see, I'm going to zoom. A star has 9852 98253 star 544 and hash. Now there are before I start this process, I'm just remember one thing. There are so many complaints is coming in my comment section. You are using fingerprint on your backside. There, as you can see, there are no any option is coming. There are no option in finger lock is there. So this is very clear. And now I have to press the call button minimum 3 times and erase this number and apply this method, because this method is very important. Without this process, we are not going to enter in our software version. So first we have to press the star hash 899, and after before press the hash. And now as you can see, engineer mode page is activated now. So first we have to click on manual test, and second row device debugging page, and check M sensor auto test, proximity sensor test, and proximity calibration. Confirm here. After that you have to check on sensor self test calibration and press the both the option gyroscope accelerometer. Both option is coming in the sensor self test calibration, and both are not operated right now. So first we have to apply the same, and one which is passed, one have to pass. So now finally gyroscope is passed. Now we can we are taking the next step, and the gyroscope test we have to press, and gyroscope self test, and start here and wait here 1 minute. Now you can see gyroscope self test is working now. So come back from this option, and the most important and the last others option have to, after swiping the last others option is coming. There are 4 5 option is coming. So what your Android version, what you are pressing the Android version. So now we have to, what is your database version or mainboard version, whatever it is. So which model is in your Oppo phone, because this phone is not Oppo. I am going to clearly share you, this is Realme handset, and this is the main thing I am going to, I want to understand one thing. This is the process you can unlock any Android phone, this for this method. But this method which is we are going to today in today's video, what I tell you in the process, this is only for Oppo handset, and this process for only Oppo or any Oppo models. You can apply this code and you can unlock any Oppo handset. So main board version whatever it is, so press the 12 time minimum, press here 12 time. After completing this, you can press the redirect reporting law test and confirm here, and you can see on the screen wrong password is coming. After completing all the process, now it's time to check our phone whether our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. And as you can see, my friend, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or applications. So I hope you guys will like the channel, subscribe our channel.